how to change Facebook location setting. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. And in today's video, I will be teaching you how to change Facebook location setting. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Facebook app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Facebook app. Once you have done that, simply open Facebook and go to menu right here. Once you're in menu, scroll down and look for settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy, click on settings, and then wait for it to load. Scroll down once again and look for permissions right here. Once you're in permissions, click on location. Wait for it to load, and then you may be able to see the Go to Device Settings option. So click on Go to Device, click on iOS setting, and then right here, make sure to choose the location option right here. So click on location and make sure to choose while using the app or ask next time or when I share instead of never. So if this option is turned into never, make sure to choose while using the app. And then also, you may choose the um, precise location. So make sure to turn this on if you want to by clicking on the toggle button on the rightmost part. So if you may also go to your settings and then go to privacy right here, go to location services and make sure to turn this one on instead on off. So again, click on the toggle button and make sure that the toggle button is turned into green and not gray. So that's it. That's how you can change Facebook location setting.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.